So I got this evap purge solenoid here. It was stuck open in my 2009 Suburban here. What I did was took a little bit of WD-40 with the hose, squirted it in both ends, let this for a couple minutes, and I took an air hose with, with a rubber tip, and then blew through both ends, this end and the other end, both ways. Bunch of shit came out of there, but I just kept doing that until I could only blow through one direction. So this I could actually blow through this direction, but if I stick that air hose into this tube, it'll force it back out. Like it's a one-way valve. But yeah, that fixed my stuck open purge valve. Hopefully this helps someone.